This is a pretty exciting day for me. I'm here in Ohio at GSA Equipment. I'm actually at their warehouse, not at the dealership, but down the road a little ways. They have a warehouse where they keep all their overstock of machines. And it's where they do the receiving. And today, they're receiving the new Durette XC1100. It's the first container of XC1100s in the US so far. And not only am I here to see it being unloaded, but I'm standing in it right now. So in this crate is an XC1100. And back in there, there's a whole bunch of them and all kinds of attachments stacked on top. So the guys from GSA today are gonna unbox these things and uncrate them, and I'm gonna be here with them and help them out. And we're gonna take our first look at it, and I'm gonna be able to operate one and test one out today. So come along with me as we get this going. Here they are working on, here's Adam, the owner of GSA, running the forklift. Taking the attachments off the top of the first XC1100 so we can get it out and see what it looks like. It looks like the buckets are a whole new design. They actually look a little bigger than the V1000, and they have a cutting blade on the end of them too. I'm kind of excited to try that out. That looks pretty cool. By the look of concentration on Adam's face, I'm gonna stand back a little bit. Those buckets are not attached, they're just sitting there. So yeah, instead of teeth, it's got a cutting edge on it. That does look bigger than the V1000 bucket. While they unbox these, I'm gonna walk through here real quick. So their warehouse has all kinds of rooms of machines. Now this room is a bunch of mowers. Skag, DeWalt, Ferris. I don't know if this is unlocked, but yes. In here, there's more toys. RS6 or 4 RS6s. Got what, 5 RS3s? These are so cool. Look at these little mini trucks. It's a little van. Tell me that's not cool. I want one. It's got a cute little pickup on it. Okay, I might need to play with that. Oh, high top HC22. Got 4 HC22s, got a Ripa over here. Was that R18? No. Yeah, R18. So today, they're gonna start filling this place with machines. Yeah, because they got a whole container. Let's get back to it. So his method is they just saws all the top off. Why didn't I think of that? Instead of prying it apart? Oh snap. There it is. Come. There we go. Okay, XC1100 first look. It looks beefy. I mean, this whole deal looks beefy. Yeah, I don't hate it, that's for sure. Here we go. It's got that screen's gonna load up here. Direct. Ah, that's sick. Okay, so I'm gonna help them get these things open and get them all out, and I'm gonna pull one outside and we're gonna do a review on this thing today. Here's one operating. There we go, bucket. So now that you run up for 60 seconds, how do you like it? All right, that's it. I'm going to get one. I'm tired of watching him play with one. I'm gonna pull one off a pallet and I'm gonna go play with one now. Come on. Woo! Yeah, it looks pretty wicked. I'm excited. So, we've got a forklift with more crates coming off. There's more crates over here. They've just got some out of crates. They're unloading them. And they look really smooth. And they've got this stuff figured out. And with the fancy camera, we got Julian.
Come on.
Making it happen for the GSA videos.
GSA's big time.
Everywhere look. XC1100s. These dudes are everywhere. He's got his whole team out here unloading these things. So today I'm gonna do a walk around review, like I said, with one of these. They're gonna take one, trailer it back over to the main dealership, and you and I are gonna get to play with one today. Is this possibly the best Chinese mini skid ever made? I don't know. It's definitely a contender. Definitely a contender. So, we'll see y'all again very soon. So today's a pretty wild day. I'm here in Ohio at